generating excellent reports in under a minute. I am going to introduce you to a report-making tool that is easy to use and will save you a lot of time and money. It's called Excellent Reports. An Excel spreadsheet plugin that can pull data from databases quickly without having to design complicated report templates, needing to know a bunch of technical jargon about database connections, or having to rely on a team of IT guys that are huddled in some remote corner in the basement. We've all made the plea. I need the data, man. Just the data. Please give me the flippin' data so I can get to work. I have seen jobs in the past where it has taken days, even weeks to get some kind of report out because the template didn't exist, or IT needed to make some implementation of the system to generate the report. Maybe there was an issue with the database connection, or there was no one who had time to write the SQL statement, or whatever. But the point is that getting information out of a database can be difficult and very irritating, to say the least. Excellent Reports is the solution to all these problems. If I had had access to this tool on my computer, I could have saved myself a lot of frustration and better served the people relying on me. Like a good cooking show, I already have my pans out, ready to go. So let's get started whipping up something deliciously simple and satisfying. What we're talking about is a desktop report generator that compares favorably with the pricier Crystal Reports tool. Only this tool is affordable and even easier to use than the Microsoft Excel sitting on your desktop. This plugin is powerful. It connects with SQL, SQLite, Postgres, Oracle, QuickBooks, Access, and with any database on the market that has an ODBC driver. Let's take a closer look. From Microsoft Excel, I'll just click on the Excellent Reports tab to launch what I think is a phenomenal addition to spreadsheet computing. Click on the Create Template button and the fun begins. As you can see, I have a number of databases here that I can connect to. I'll give our new report template a name, Invoice. I will choose one of the sample databases, Exact Accounting, for this demonstration. And for my header fields, I will choose the table Invoice. And for the repeat region, I will choose the Invoice XGridView table. I'll quickly choose the fields I want in my report. Then click Relationship button. Then I will select the first and second relationships in our header and repeat tables, and then click Save. Then click the Create Template button. Whiz bang! The data flows from Excel and the fields are populated for the desired report. I will click on the Report tab and you will see that the spreadsheet has all the raw data I want for the report. However, it is unfiltered and unformatted. Now, if I click on the next button, I can view what is in Record 2 of the invoice table and browse through the data. So, because this is the invoice template, I will now format this report just the way I want it, using the formatting power native to Excel. And another thing. If I click on the CMS tab next to the Excellent Reports tab, I can change, add or update not just the data in Excel, but in the source database too. Also, from the Excellent Reports plugin, I can create in the source database a brand new table, define the fields, and add records to it. It's just too neat for words. I haven't even told you about all the sorting and filtering that can be done before creating the template. Also, because it's so easy to update fields or correct erroneous data, Excellent Reports is an awesome auditing tool. Oh, and one more thing I want to show you before I let you go. Let's bring in a regular Excel spreadsheet. Click on the Connection options to load a connection and select the database in which you want to add a table. Then highlight the data in the spreadsheet you want in your table. Then click the Create Table from selected cells. And voila! Again, the magic happens. The spreadsheet header row is used to define the field names in a new table in a database, and the following rows are imported as new records to the table. Click to save the table and you are done. Here are some more sample reports. Are you starting to imagine all the savings, power, and utility excellent reports will provide you? Available for a 30-day free trial. Check it out and make report generation fun for the first time.